Be thankful. Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward to? Be thankful when you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. Be thankful for the difficult times. During those times you grow. Be thankful for your limitations because they give you opportunities for improvement. Be thankful for each new challenge because it will build your strength and character. Be thankful for your mistakes. They will teach you valuable lessons. Be thankful when you are tired and weary because it means you have made a difference. It's easy to be thankful for the good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are always thankful for the setbacks. Gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles, and they can become your blessings. In this poem, the poet wants us to be grateful to all these things. We look forward to something when we don't have everything. You don't know everything. Ignorance of something helps to learn new things. So, be thankful for that. Whenever you have difficult times, you have a chance to grow. So, be thankful for difficult times. You have limitations. Limitations give you opportunities for improvement. So be thankful for your limitations. Whenever you face a new challenge, each new challenge will build your strength and character. Hence, be thankful for each new challenge. When you make mistakes, you will learn valuable lessons. Therefore, be thankful for your mistakes. Whenever you are tired and weary, it means you have made a difference. Be thankful for that. Our fulfillment comes from the setbacks. Being thankful for the good things is easy, but a life of rich fulfillment comes to those people who also thank for the setbacks. Gratitude can turn a negative thing into a positive one. So, find a way to be thankful for your troubles, and finally they can become blessings to you. Thus, we can say that sometimes troubles become blessings and difficulties helps us to grow. But it should be done only with determination and dedication.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.